I am Jen from Jen and Joe on the Go. We are a Disney travel and lifestyle channel. If you are new to the channel, welcome. This may be a big mess of a video, and I'll explain why in a minute. And for those of you returning, welcome back. So, we go to Disney a lot, we travel a lot. We're very blessed to be able to do so, but when it comes to packing, it's something I just can't stand doing. I'm an overpacker. I pack way too much stuff. I like to make sure I have stuff for every scenario. If it's going to be cold, if it's going to be rainy, if it's going to be hot, multiple outfits, outfits for the parks, outfits for fancier dinners at night. I've got it all covered, and I think that's half of my problem. If I just maybe packed one outfit a day and maybe one or two extra outfits, I could possibly do a carry-on bag only, but at this point in my life, I just like to have options and choices when it comes to what I'm wearing. So that being said, when I have a trip planned, I usually start thinking about my outfits 1 to 2-3 months in advance, and I think about what I have. I think about where we're going and what we're doing on the trip, and I'll start mentally putting outfits together, and I'll start searching Amazon and Target, and I'll see what I need to complete those outfits. Then once everything has come in and we're about a week or so out from the trip, I'll start writing everything down just in case there's something I missed that I have to reorder. Then I start laying everything out. So I do it by outfit. For like, if we're going from Monday to Friday, I'll plan out like Monday, I'll usually have an outfit for the day and an outfit at night and so forth for the rest of the week with a couple extra outfits. Sometimes as much as one extra outfit per day. Because like I said, I'd like to have choices and I don't want to be limited. So once I have my clothes all bought and I've figured out what I'm going to wear and I've written it all down and we're about a week out from the trip, then I start laying out the outfits. And this is a condensed version because I've already started packing some stuff just because I'm going to run out of room in my closet, room to walk. So I had to start putting some stuff in the suitcase. But all right, so this is what it looks like. Let me turn this around. Okay, so I start with laying out all my outfits. So like I said, this is very condensed because there's a lot of things already in my suitcase. Then I get to the suitcase, and I'm trying something new this trip. I bought packing cubes. So, I have on the bottom here, so that first packing cube right there, the pink one, is all of my shoes. I think there's 5 pairs of shoes in there. There's like 2 pairs of flip-flops, a pair of heels. What else is in there? There could be a pair of gym shoes. I'm not sure. Then in this top bag, that is right here. This is all of my underwear, bras, nipple covers. Yes, I said nipple covers. Then I've got my toiletry bag, which most of this can't be packed until the day before, the morning of. Then I bring extra garbage bags for dirty clothes because it's disgusting to put your clean clothes in a packing cube. And I mean, you could do it, but that would mean more laundry because I'd have to wash the packing cubes. Then I've got some extra Ziploc bags to put in those toiletries that could leak, just so I don't have a big mess. Then I start packing my clothes, and I'll do it by like day of the week. And I'll go from Monday to Friday or however long the trip is. So I have my day clothes and then evening wear. Then also under here, there's another packing cube, and that has swimsuits in it and cover-ups. So I still have to pack all of this stuff, and I am waiting for 2 pieces to come in. Then I've also got my carry-on bag, and in my carry-on bag I have this, and that's just got like Advil in it, Tylenol, a portable fan, gum, extra sunglasses, hand sanitizer, all that kind of stuff. And I also I found this at Target over the holidays, and it's a teeny tiny little jewelry case. And I love it because, like I said, I'm an overpacker, so I'd probably bring different jewelry for every day if I could, but this limits me and makes it so I can only bring whatever's going to fit in here, which I think currently is a couple pairs of earrings and maybe 3 necklaces, because I'm going to do the layered look for my necklaces this trip. I always bring a hat for the pool or for the parks. And then I'm still trying to learn how to use this camera. We got a DJI, and it's been a learning curve. But I also have this beach bag, and this just has more stuff in it, like extra gum, Kleenex, some cords, wet wipes. I've got some more packing cubes. I don't even know if I'm going to need these yet, but we'll see. I bought a new purse, which is this. It's from A New Day. This is super cute. So it's a new day. I think it was $25. Let me see. It's going to be a lot of editing for Joe to do with this video. It was $25. Like, I don't know if I mentioned this, but I'm trying to coordinate all my outfits. I try to do a lot of black and white just to make it easier, like all black shoes, instead of having shoes that would require different outfits that would require different colored shoes. I tried to keep it more to a black and white outfit choices. Have a couple pairs of ears. I think this was the first pair of Mickey ears I ever got, probably like 20 years ago. And then I have this pair. I'm not one who brings a lot of extra ears because I do find that they hurt my head after a while. I can only wear them for a limited time, but I do like to have them because I do think it's part of the magic of being in Disney to be able to wear your ears, because let's face it, you're probably not going to wear them to the grocery store. All right, but going back to packing. So once I can get all these piles into my suitcase and pack up my toiletries at morning of our trip, then I'm pretty much good to go. I'm pretty organized. I even have Joe's pile started because, yes, I do help him pack. So we have his pile going as well, but he will put it in his own suitcase, which is somewhere behind mine. But yeah, that's how I do things. I'm very organized. I do overpack. I do have a lot of mental lists going in my head of things that I'm going to need, things I can't remember to not put in my suitcase or my carry-on bag. I need to remember to add my umbrella because it's going to be May in Florida. Could be rainy every afternoon. Could be rainy at night. Could be rainy all day. Just don't know. Yeah, so I hope this gives you a little bit of insight into who I am as a traveler and how much I hate packing and how time consuming it is, and how I am so jealous of people who can put it all in a carry-on bag and call it a day and be minimalistic about things. I just can't do it. I've tried and tried and tried, and I'm just one of those people who likes to have everything in every kind of situation, which is good and it's also bad. I also bought, I don't know where it is, but back when we went to Disney in February, I actually bought a luggage scale because I was afraid I was going to go over the weight limit because I had to pack jeans and layers and sweaters, and all the bulky stuff really adds up in weight quickly. But I feel confident that I'm going to be okay this trip just because I'm usually around 40-ish pounds, and I don't even think I'm going to hit that this trip. We're going to be in Disney for 5 days, 5 nights, 6 days, and then in St. Pete for a couple days, visiting Joe's family and spending some time on the beach and helping to support that community because they were just ripped apart by those hurricanes last year. And a lot of the places that we love that we didn't think were going to reopen have reopened. So we are going to visit some of those places. I'm really excited about that. St. Pete has always been one of our favorite places in the world to visit. Just has a lot of great memories. Joe and I got married in St. Pete at the Don Cesar Hotel, and that is open. So I'm hoping maybe we can pop over there for a drink this trip. We shall see. But anyway, that is my cast. That is my packing. Let me know how I did in the comments below. Am I a good packer? Am I a bad packer? What did you think of this video? Should I do more in the future? I don't know. I don't know if this is for me yet. It's a lot of work. But anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss any of the next Jen and Joe on the go action, because when you see this, we will either be in Disney World or be just about ready to go to Disney World, and I'm so excited. So stay tuned for our pre-trip report as well, and then hopefully you'll tune in to the series. We are just about finished with our February trip videos. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!